Hi everyone, here's our ship, Carnival Sunshine. And we are at Grand Turk. Except it says Amber Cove. Ooh, I think we took a wrong turn. Actually, we had a medical emergency with a passenger and a crew member during the middle of the night, and they were unable to airlift them off the ship, of course, because it's nighttime. They did a left turn, so instead of going to Grand Turk, we pulled into Amber Cove so that those two people could get more advanced medical help. Apparently, Grand Turk doesn't have that available, so we had to come here. Word on the street is that no ships were able to get into Grand Turk today. So even though we had to make an emergency stop here, I'm really glad we did. It's not the most beautiful day, as you can see over here. Yeah, we've had black clouds and momentary rain and lots of wind and lots of waves. It's not been a good stop.
Just waiting for King Kong to come over that mountain up there.
And it definitely wasn't a good stop for at least one person. He did not survive. The Carnival crew member, we haven't heard any word on him, but we did not hear word that he died. The other person died of a heart attack, and I believe they didn't even survive to get into port. Or maybe once they got to port they died, but they died, and that's sad for the ship, and it's sad for the family, and it's sad for everybody. Even the passengers are affected by it. But, you know, those things do happen, and there's no guarantee if he would have been home that he would have survived there either.